Hi guys, welcome to my vlogs Yamantaka 17. It's another interesting video. Today it's going to be about helmet audio systems and intercoms. So we have a lot of brands and a lot of models starting from 1000. It goes all the way up to 66,000. So it's going to be an interesting vlog about just helmet audio systems and intercoms. Stick till the end. Hi Yashwant.
Hi bro, how are you?
I'm doing great. Today it's going to be an interesting video. First time we are doing about helmet audio and helmet
Intercoms.
Yes.
Hi guys, hope everyone is doing fine. Now I'm here to take you through the helmet Bluetooth systems and helmet intercoms. Yes. We have range starting from 1000 rupees all the way up to 66,000 rupees.
Yes.
So I'm here to show you everything and explain you the features about different intercoms, different things, everything. Starting from the basic one. This is a basic Bluetooth headset which will go inside the helmet. And these are the operating switches here. The play pause button, call rejecting and call attending button, and these are the volume controls, music controls, and this is the basic mic.
Yes.
The device will look like this, and the charging is here. This is an USB B type charging.
Yes.
This is a basic one. For a regular day-to-day usage, you will have normal some amount of calls and you have to listen to music. Some amount of music, a normal one. This
but
one
not great audio.
Not great audio. This is a basic one. Basic one. It will do the day-to-day jobs. It will be good. This one is a basic starting one. And next comes in a little bit advanced Bluetooth system. This is called Bluarmor HS1.
Okay.
Okay, the Bluarmor is a Bangalore based company.
Yes.
They manufacture Bluetooth systems, Bluetooth helmet intercoms, and even helmet mounting systems, camera mounting systems, everything they manufacture. This is a Bluetooth 5.3 device.
Okay.
You can Bluetooth 5.3 in the sense you can connect two phones, one Android and one iOS, two different operating system phones.
Okay.
This one will have a battery life of upwards of 18 to 19 hours on continuous usage. Okay. This one will have USB-C type charging, voice assistant, OT updates, app controls, and the speakers will be on HD quality speakers, high definition speakers. This one is on very good, decent Bluetooth device. It comes with 1 year warranty.
Amazing. So the price of this device?
Price of this device is 2,999.
2,999.
And next comes an entry-level Chinese intercom. Okay. This is called Vmoto V6. Okay. This will connect to 6 riders. Okay. 6 same or universal. Okay. This is on universal
on the mesh.
Not mesh. Mesh is not universal. Mesh is different. This is universal intercom, only Bluetooth intercom. Okay. This Bluetooth intercom will have a range of 400 to 500 meters LOS, lane of sight. So connect with 6 riders. And this is a Chinese intercom. Yes. A good quality one, decent one. If you are new into riding, if you are new into intercom systems, you can consider this also. You can
entry
level. You can consider this as an option also.
Yes.
And this is one more brand called Midland.
Okay.
Midland Intercom. They are also manufacturing intercoms. They are also based in South Korea only. Okay. We can open this. I'll show you the packaging and the device. The device is very cool looking in this. Okay. I'll show you the device. This is the device.
Unique
shape. This is an hexagonal shaped device.
Yes.
It is very unique.
Yes.
It will look very small on the helmet. It won't be very much visible also.
It doesn't look like an intercom only.
This is an intercom, but it's not a universal intercom. Okay. This connects only to Midland. Okay. This is also water resistant, everything. This also will do the job. Good quality intercom at this price, 7,000. It costs 7,500.
Yes.
Good quality intercom.
Yes.
It also comes with 1 year warranty.
Okay. And the price of this would be?
This 7,500 rupees. Okay. And next comes in Parani. Parani, everyone will be knowing about this. This is a Parani M10. The starting model of Parani. Parani is by Sena. Sena is actually a South Korean company. They manufacture only helmet intercoms. Okay. They are pioneers in this field, helmet making intercoms. Yes. They have wide range, and these are their entry level one. This is backed by Sena, Parani by Sena. Okay. This is a basic good quality intercom. It connects with 4 people. Okay. Before it was not universal. Now they have made it universal by giving it in software update. You can download the software in the Parani website. If any one of you haven't Parani, you can update the software and make that also a universal compatible intercom. You can connect Parani with Vmoto, you can connect Parani with Bluarmor. After doing the software update, it connects through. Yeah, you can connect through Bluetooth intercom. This one will also have good battery backup. Yes. The intercom range will be like 1 kilometer, 4-way intercom. You have an LCD display also. Yes. You can have a voice prompts also, like Hey Siri. Yes. Everything will work, and this is a firmware upgradable.
Okay.
And it comes with an USB-C charging.
Okay. And I guess the charge won't last up to
11 to 12 hours continuous usage. Okay. And this price is 6,900 rupees.
Great.
And next comes this is an entry level Sena series called the B10. This is called the Bharat version. This is mainly for India.
Okay.
The Sena had made this product only for India.
Okay. Okay.
Called the B10. This is new launched like a month ago.
Okay.
This one is an universal intercom.
Okay.
This is already open. I'll show you this thing. This is the device. A sleek looking device.
Okay.
You will have an LCD display also in this.
Yes. Okay.
This is an LCD display.
Okay.
Second.
It wouldn't affect the aesthetics. It just sit on the
It will be not very big, not too bulky. It will be a sleek device, small device. It will sit on the helmet. These are the speaker connections inside. These are the speakers. This is the mic.
Yes.
These are the mounting points. These are the velcros.
The charging cable.
Charging cable. Everything will be inside.
Yes.
And this is also an USB-C type device.
Okay.
There is no need to carry extra cables. If you have a mobile phone charger, now all the mobile phones are USB-C type only.
Yes.
You just pop in the charger and charge it.
So the price of this device?
Price of this is 10,000.
10,000.
This is also universal connection. It will connect to all branch intercom, which supports universal Bluetooth intercom.
Okay.
All the Sena products comes with 2 years company warranty.
Okay.
Any issue with the device, you can contact the company and we can get it replaced.
Okay. Amazing. So coming to our
Bluarmor, this is made in Bangalore, made in India and made in Bangalore.
Yes.
And this is an intercom from them, most trending now among the riders.
Yes.
Because this is for the price which you are giving and the features which you are getting is very much more.
And so TVS has also rebranded this.
Yeah, Bluarmor only. They are the OE suppliers for TVS.
Okay.
They have just rebranded the device and they are selling it in their TVS X-Connect outlets.
Yes, yes.
And this is IP67 rated. You will have rare grid mesh intercom. Yes. Mesh 11,000 rupees. This is an only device you get mesh. No other device will give a mesh intercom at this price point.
So can you tell us about this mesh technology?
Mesh technology, what is basically is that mesh. If you have another rider also as a mesh intercom, if you connect both mesh riders, no, there won't be Bluetooth count. Intercom, there's called an intercom count. 3 riders, 4 riders. That count will not be there. You can connect n number of mesh intercoms.
Okay.
That is the mesh technology, and then integration also will be very good in mesh. The connecting, everything. If you go out of sight, no, once you come inside, it will get automatically connected. The mesh will be very easy to use.
So this is most applicable for riding groups.
Riding groups, and if you
in the mountains.
If you ride in large number of groups, large number, like say 50, your group is like 12 people, 13 people, 14 people, no, then it will be very good for you.
Very good. Yeah.
And this also has an ride grid system. This also supports universal Bluetooth intercom. Yes. Is IP rated, also IP67 rated, water and dust proof up to 30 meters.
Yes.
And this is mobile phone tower interface protection also. The mesh intercom will not get interfered with the mobile phone tower. And it has 5-button advanced noise control. And there is one more thing in this: active noise cancellation and adaptive wind control.
Yes.
The line of sight is 1.1 kilometer. Up to 1.1 kilometer, it will cover the range.
Yes.
And automatic reconnection, everything will be there.
Yes.
And suppose out of 5 buddies in bed, you can add speed dial also. Yes. Automatic reconnection, rider to pillion communication also will be there.
And plus, it keeps getting firmware updates.
Firmware update will get. And one more thing is automatic volume control. There's an app for this. Okay. You have to download your smartphone called as C30 app, Bluarmor comms.
Yes.
If you download that app, no, in that there are many controls. You can make an automatic volume control also. If you on that control, no, according to your speed, according to the wind noise, no, volume will automatically reduce and automatically increase.
Amazing.
That is also one more good feature in this.
Smart feature, convenient
and smart feature.
Yes.
And next comes then Sena 5S.
5S.
This is a mid-level segment, not a mid-level segment, one level above the entry level.
Yes.
This is priced to 17,000 rupees.
Okay.
This is a Bluetooth intercom, and it comes with Bluetooth 5.0, and the transmission range will be 700 meters, two-way intercom. There's a good LCD display also.
Yes.
Main thing why people go for Sena is reliability. Yes. The reliability of the device will be super duper. There is no need to change the device, nothing like that. The reliability will be top notch. Use it for 4 or 5 years, still the device will be very good to use. And next comes the
price of this.
Price of this is 17,000 rupees. 17,000. Slightly priced above this. Before this was an entry level in Sena. Okay. Now they introduced B10. After this become the entry level in Sena. Next comes the 10S.
10S.
This is slightly upgraded version of the 5S.
Okay.
There won't be any LCD display. You'll have just the lights, the different color lights, blinking lights. And this is also a Bluetooth 5.0 technology device.
Yes.
This is also Bluetooth intercom. There is no mesh in this.
Okay.
Sena 5S, 10S, there is no mesh in this. The transmission range will be 700 meters, and all this will have HD speakers.
Okay.
High definition speaker. The speaker quality will be very good in this. HD speakers.
So the price of this
Price of this is 22,000.
22,000.
Next comes the Sena 30K.
Sena 30.
30K. The mesh starts from in this model in Sena.
Okay, 30K.
30K. The mesh device starts from this. And this is also an Bluetooth 5.1 technology intercom.
Yes, and kind of looks very cool.
All these are not open box pieces. That's why I couldn't open it and show. Or else I would have definitely opened and shown you the other
The
device.
design looks pretty cool.
There is an antenna here. This is an antenna.
Okay.
Antenna, and they will have an rotating jog dial.
Okay.
And this entire device is made up of fiber and aluminium.
Okay.
The sturdiness of the device will be very good in this.
Yes, got it.
And this price is 30,000 rupees. This is a mesh intercom. Again, this is also universal mesh. You can connect it to any brand intercom also. This one will connect. And next comes the Sena's 50R.
50R.
This is on top of the line in Sena.
Okay.
When it comes to Bluetooth intercom, the top of the line is called as 50R. This also will have Bluetooth 5.3 technology. The transmission range of this will be 2 kilometers.
Okay.
This is the maximum range. The intercom range will be 2 kilometers.
Okay.
LOS line of sight.
Yes.
This is also a very good reliable device. And it has an Harman Kardon sound system. The speakers is of an Harman Kardon, and this is an universal mesh. It will connect to other brand intercoms also. Universal mesh, and this is an outlook of the device. This one also has an antenna in it. These are the volume control buttons. This is also a very good device.
And the price of this would be?
The price of this is 36,000.
36,000. Great.
And next comes a new launch in Sena.
Okay.
This is called 60S.
Okay. Looks futuristic.
Looks futuristic, and there are different color plates also in this. Switchable plates also. This is brand new from Sena.
So we can match our helmets.
Yeah, helmets color, not particular helmet colors. But the colors which you like: brown, silver, black, and white.
Got it.
There is one more new technology introduced by Sena called the wave intercom.
Okay.
What basically is in wave intercom is in crisscross intercom.
Okay.
This one will connect to all brands other mesh intercom.
Okay.
It will be crisscross connection.
Yes.
Unlike you say, see, if one Bluarmor guy is traveling with you, and another 50S guy is traveling with you, and another 30K guy is traveling with 30K is the 30K intercom guy who is traveling with you. You can connect them. You can connect with them simultaneously. Okay. That is called the wave intercom.
Okay.
This is one of the new launch from Sena. It's launched like a week ago.
Okay.
This is 60S.
And the price of this would be?
This is 42,000.
42,000.
And next comes one of the, this is an best device in Sena. Okay. This is called the 50C.
50C.
What is the one more main plus point in this device is you will have an inbuilt camera in the intercom.
Oh, okay. So how does that work?
Inbuilt camera in the intercom. That's not a normal camera. It's a 4K camera. Okay. 4K 30 FPS camera. Okay. You have to insert an SD card in this.
Okay.
SD card and what all video you shoot, no, everything will be recorded in the SD card. Bluetooth intercom communication with camera. There is no need to put an extra GoPro. You
can also record rides.
Record rides, everything. The main purpose is recording the rides only, bro.
Yes.
Unlike in GoPro will be heavy.
Record rides along with audio.
Audio, everything. Audio. See, there is no need to put an extra mic and putting GoPro mic adapter, which will make your helmet heavy.
Yes.
There is an all-in-all device.
Yes.
There is Bluetooth 5.0, mesh intercom. This is also up to 2 kilometers. Yes. Ultra HD 4K. You can shoot videos up to 30 FPS, 30 frames per second. Okay. Multi-language command. It also has gotten noise cancellation. Okay. ANC, advanced noise cancellation, and digital assistant. Hey Siri, Hey Google, everything you can access in this firmware upgradable. And the speakers is also Harman Kardon speakers.
Amazing.
Harman Kardon, they are best in speakers.
Yes.
They manufacture only speakers. They do speakers for this Harman Kardon. And this is in 50S. In this also you get dual pack. Dual pack
for couples or
for couples or friends. Dual pack in the sense same device.
Two devices.
Two devices will be there.
Yes.
This 50S dual pack. This priced at 66,000 rupees.
Yes.
And this also has the same features unlike an 50R.
So 50R if we buy individual and
individual will cost you 2,000 rupees more. If you get it in a dual pack, 2,004, you can save up to 4,000 rupees if you get a dual pack.
Okay, got it. Awesome. So this GoPro, it connects now. Which are those?
GoPro, it will connect with Sena. Starting from 30K, everything it will connect GoPro.
Okay. So you don't need a mic.
You don't need an extra mic for this. From 30K, 50R, 50S, 60S, everything will connect to GoPro.
GoPro will be connected to the Sena via Bluetooth.
Yeah. It will connect via Bluetooth. These are so many devices.
Yes.
There are many features in this which I couldn't explain in this short video.
Yes. So that was a very interesting video on Bluetooth systems and intercoms. So it was an extensive collection.
Yes, bro. It's a very extensive collection we have. I couldn't explain all the features in this short video.
Yes.
If you guys are free, if you want to experience any of the intercoms here, then anytime come down to our store. We have a demo of everything. We'll show you everything. If you like, you can purchase. Or if you want to check out also, you can check out. You are always welcome.
Thank you, Yashwant.
Thank you, bro.